in most jurisdictions. But problem is that insurance creates moral hazard. Once we are insured, we become careless, we become less careful. So how to make drivers who drive their own car, who drive lorries, big trucks, how to make them responsible? It has been a big challenge for insurance companies. AI is changing that because now you can really install devices on your cars. So insurance company can install devices in your car and offer you rebate if you agree to do that. And if those devices are installed, they can monitor how carefully, if your driving is jerky or you speed up too sudden. And then in future, then they can adjust what premium they will be charging. Drivers of lorry, trucks, etc., can be monitored very closely. What time they, at what stop, at what toll plaza they halted, for how long they halted, where they had their lunch and all. So the power of supervision has gone up. As a result, it has two important implications. One is that the contracts between individuals and companies, they can be enforced better. Other feature is that the good behavior can be rewarded and irresponsible behavior can be penalized. This has implications. So there's a reason why when you hire Uber, why they ask you to experience your experience, to rate your experience by giving stars. Basically, they are trying to sort out good, responsible users and match them with responsible drivers. In this process, people who are temperamentally irresponsible, lazy, they are also going to lose out. That's also going to be another source of inequality that we are looking at. A related point to this is the ownership over the information. So data, as I said, data is nothing but codified information about us. So should Amazon, Facebook be free to use all the information they collect about us, or should we have some right to 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 allow them? Should they be required to ask us explicitly whether they can use information about me or not? This is a serious issue, and not many, other than European jurisdiction, not many jurisdictions have settled this issue up. It cuts both ways. You know, if we give free access to Google, for instance, that they can use data about us, then they can do various good things. They can suggest, you search for luxury hotels and they would know that you are a rich person. They will make suggestions for business class flights. They will also make suggestions where you could do shopping of luxury watches, for instance. So, or if you search for economy hotels, then they can also suggest economy modes of transportation. So it has some benefit, but it also has a cost, because by discriminating, it AI allows manufacturers, companies to discriminate more. They can distill who has more purchasing power and charge different price. So the prices can be charged now. Not only prices can differ not only in market, Kabla Nagar versus Connaught Place, but also at same location at Delhi School of Economics premises, they can charge two different prices simultaneously to two different individuals. So these are some of the challenges that are being created by AI, big data analytics. I am sure you have very exciting panel discussions, and some of these issues will come up, and you will then have more answers. I have given you more questions. At the end of it, you will have more answers. I wish you the very best with this conference. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words. Your guidance set the perfect tone for a day filled with engaging discussions and thought provoking insights. Now, I would request Tangi sir to felicitate Professor Ram Singh.